Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Kubernetes secrets and config maps using Velero. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Kubernetes secrets and config maps using Velero, begin by ensuring you have Velero installed on your Kubernetes cluster. First, check if you have the required permissions to create backups. Install Velero CLI on your local machine if you haven't already done so. Set up a storage backend for your Velero backups. Choose a cloud provider or local storage that Velero supports, such as AWS S3 or Google Cloud Storage. Configure the storage with appropriate permissions and access keys. Next, create a Velero installation command specific to your storage backend. Run the command to install Velero in your Kubernetes cluster. This process may take a few moments to complete. Once installed, verify that Velero is running correctly by checking the status. Use the Velero CLI to create a backup. Specify the resources you want to back up, focusing on Kubernetes secrets and config maps. For a specific namespace, use the include namespaces flag. If you want to back up all namespaces, just omit the namespace flag. Monitor the progress of the backup operation. Ensure there are no errors during the backup process. To check the list of available backups, use the Velero CLI to list them. Identify the backup that contains your secrets and config maps. If needed, you can restore a backup at any time using the Velero CLI. Run the restore command and specify the backup name for restoration. Confirm that the restoration process is successful. Finally, validate the restored secrets and config maps to ensure they are intact. Regularly schedule backups to keep your data safe. Consider automating the backup process using cron jobs or other scheduling tools. This will ensure your Kubernetes secrets and config maps are consistently backed up without manual intervention. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.